Well, I'm going to show you a quick put together with the Harbor Freight what you call stand. This is kind of one of those stand for anything and everything. They seem to be pretty sturdy. I can tell you more about that later. But what it is it seems as though that they lack instructions on how to put these things together. So what you have to do is you have to look for these numbers. The 3 should face a 3. The larger ones go at the bottom. The 5 faces the 5. The number 4 is the legs. That's pretty obvious. They're pretty much self-explanatory how they go, because the top piece, number 3, has 2 bolts. Your spreader that goes close to the middle has 1 bolt on each side. So it's, like I said, it's pretty obvious about where they should go and how they should go. The legs are adjustable. You can drop this thing all the way down to about 26 inches, I believe it is. Okay, the 2 should face the 2, and the 1 should face the 1. Alright, you see I've got the stretcher, and then I got the top piece hooked on to one side. And here again, number 2. Those next number, is across from number 2, and the same thing with the upper. I've got my piece of plywood on top. Got me some carriage bolts in there. So we've now got well, of course it's sitting on ground, it's not sitting on concrete, but we've got us a really good sounding table. And I'm going to use this for my drill press. So this is going to work just as good, if not maybe better. At least with the lumber, it'll soak up some of the sound where it won't be so noisy. Alrighty, y'all have a good afternoon.